Hey, it's your girl Mo Beauty Natural Hub coming back to y'all with another video. Today I'm going to be doing my wash day routine using my products, my hibiscus, my aloe vera shampoo bar, and my conditioner, hibiscus and green tea. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and also turn on your notification bell. My curl cream and my hibiscus and shampoo and matcha conditioner. And so I'll come back to y'all. I just wanted to just show y'all me washing my hair. Okay, all of the shampoo is out. It's so soft. Now I'm about to put my conditioner in. Put the conditioner in. Look how soft it is and manageable. I love it. My hair mask, I love it. It's got hibiscus in it too. I'm gonna just put that on here. The hair mask. Look at that slide. Look at that. And this is just with my conditioner. I got to make me some more conditioner. I don't hardly have anymore because I have it at mobeauty.com where you can see the rest of my other products, but I'm getting ready to incorporate everything to one website. But see, my products are all natural, no parabens, no sulfate. Freshly clean hair. Okay, soft, manageable, as you can see. Finger detangled. Okay. So now I'm getting ready to put my leave-in detangler in, which is mine as well. Marshmallow root and slippery elm leave-in detangler. This is one of my best sellers right here. I gotta make me some more conditioning spray, but I'm gonna be braiding my hair, so I don't really need the conditioning spray. It'll be okay. The leave-in detangler will work. I'm just gonna pretty much just put it on my hair. And this has Ayurvedic oils in it. Just a couple of drops. And just do the same thing. And you see that slip? Okay, see the slip? But this is my wash day routine, which is easy, breezy, beautiful. I gotta do my lashes over. Cover girl. Okay, so this is me. Thanks for watching. Y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so y'all won't miss any more of my videos, my DIYs. Love y'all.